Good afternoon, ma. So in the previous class, we discussed about and or realizations using gates. Okay, ma. So now in this class, we learn NAND realizations. Okay, two level means the first level is NAND and the second level is also NAND. NAND realizations using gates. So first we know what is the NAND gate. Okay, ma. First we know what is the NAND gate. So these are basic gates and are not. NAND gate. Okay, this is the NAND gate. Here for this NAND gate, the two inputs are taking as A and B. Okay, ma, A and B. So what is the output we are getting for this NAND gate? A dot B whole dash or A dot B whole bar. Okay, ma, this is the NAND gate. Okay, remember this, two inputs A and B. Suppose if the two inputs are changed, then the output expression is also changed. Okay, ma. So AND/OR is completed. Now in this class, NAND will be doing. So NAND means this is also for SOP forms. Okay, ma. SOP forms. Okay, ma. For SOP forms, we are doing the NAND realizations. Okay, ma. So for doing this NAND realizations, first we remember we recollect the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, ma. De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorem? A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. AB whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. Remember this. Very, very important. Okay, ma. So now you are doing NAND realizations. Okay, ma. We are considering one example, that is the same example we are taking for the previous and all. Okay, F is equal to A bar dot B bar plus C bar dot D plus D dot D bar. Okay, ma, like this, if you are giving any expression, observe this, is this belongs to SOP or POS? SOP, sum of products. This is one product term, this is another product term, this is another product term, we are summing together. Okay, ma, this is belongs to SOP. For SOP expressions, we are doing the NAND realizations. Okay, ma, how to do the NAND realization? First, draw the NAND gate here. So A, B are two inputs. A dot B whole bar. Okay, ma? Now take the first, we know one rule in the complements. What is that rule? A bar bar is equal to, how this will write? A. Okay, ma? A bar bar means that we'll be taking as A. That means if we are complementing 2 times, then we are getting the same. Okay, based on that, here also 2 times complement is applied. Okay, 2 times complement is applied. So A bar dot B bar plus C bar dot D plus B dot D bar. Okay, here we are applying 2 times complements. Okay, complement and complement. 2 times complement is applied. Okay, how this will be actually? Here, De Morgan's theorem is taking like this. So any variables, suppose if you are taking x plus y whole bar, see the De Morgan's theorem by taking this. X plus y whole bar is equal to x bar dot y bar. Okay, a plus b whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar. That is also taking in terms of x, we are taking x plus y whole bar equal to x bar dot y bar. See here, first we are applying one complement. Okay, only one complement, that is this complement only. This is like, this is taking totally as x plus y plus z whole bar. Okay, ma, x plus y plus z whole bar, that is equal to x bar dot y bar dot z bar. Okay, this De Morgan's theorem is applied for any number of variables. Okay, so based on that, x bar means what is x here? What is x? X means a bar dot b bar. So x bar. So bar. Okay, Emma? Dot y bar. What is y? C bar dot d. So C bar dot d bar, y bar dot z bar. What is z? B dot d bar is taking as z. So B dot d bar whole bar. Okay, x bar dot y bar dot z bar. Already another complement is there, so that complement will be taking as it is. Okay, are you understand? A bar dot b bar dash, that is bar dot c bar dot d bar dot b dot d bar the bar. So totally we are getting the complement. Okay, now here see the NAND gate here. If A and B are inputs, then what is the output? A dot B whole bar. That means first input and second input whole bar. So draw for this A bar dot B bar bar. Okay, for that, see here, this is A bar. This is B bar. These are the two inputs. These two inputs are applied to NAND gate. So what is the output here? You will be getting A bar dot B bar. Okay, ma? Next, what is the next term? C bar dot D whole bar. So for this also, we are taking another NAND gate. What are the inputs here? One input is C bar, another input is D. C bar and D are two inputs for this NAND gate. Sorry, Amma. See here, whole bar. See here, A and B are two inputs means first input dot second input whole bar. Okay, like that here also A bar, B bar are inputs. So the first input dot second input whole bar. Okay, Amma, like this here also C bar is one input, D is another input. So the first input is C bar dot, the second input is D whole bar. Okay, are you understand? Now what is the third term? B dot D bar whole bar. So B, D bar, two inputs, NAND gate. Okay, so here this will be B, this will be D bar. Okay, ma? B and D bar are two inputs. So what is the output for this? B dot, the first input dot second input whole bar. Okay, are you understand? Individually we are getting all these. Are you understand up to here? So we realize we draw the circuit for A bar dot B bar whole bar, C bar dot D whole bar, B dot D bar whole bar. For all these terms, this is one term, this is another term, this is another term. Which operation is there? In between, dot operation is there. Okay, ma, dot operation is there. That means, and the bar is also there. That is the complement is also there. That's why these three will be as inputs to another NAND gate. Okay, are you understand? Here A bar dot B bar whole bar, C bar dot D whole bar, B dot D bar whole bar. So here finally we are getting the required function. Are you understand? Are you understand here? So why this is NAND NAND? So the totally we are using NAND gate, the first level. Okay. This is NAND. So the second level, this is also NAND gate. Here, what we remember, first what is the NAND gate, how the output expression for NAND gate, and take 2 times complement and De Morgan's theorem. Here, we remember De Morgan's theorem, then only we are doing this. Okay, ma? Are you understand? NAND, NAND. Okay, so in the same way, we are doing another problem for this another expression. Okay, are you understand how to draw? So we are taking another example and we are implementing NAND NAND realization. Okay, that is F is equal to A bar dot B bar dot D bar. Okay, plus C dot D dot E bar plus B dot C dot E. plus A dot B C bar dot D bar. Now for this expression D bar, this is D. Okay, ma? Now for this expression, we are doing NAND realization. So first we can do what? So here this is also belongs to SOP, sum of products. So for sum of products, we remember this De Morgan's theorem. Okay, X plus Y plus Z. Suppose like this, three terms are there. Whole bar is equal to X bar dot Y bar dot Z bar. Before going to this, if we complement two times, then we are getting the same. Okay, without changing the value, we can do any modifications. Okay, ma? So if you are applying two times complement, then also we are getting the same variable. So we are either we are using this. There is no value changed. Okay, that's why here also we are implementing two times complements for this total expression. Okay, two times complement for this total expression. So what happens? A bar dot B bar dot D bar plus C dot D dot E bar plus B C E plus A dot B dot C bar dot D bar. Take the same expression and apply two times complement. Okay, one time, two times complement is applied. Now take one time complement, then we are using this De Morgan's theorem. So what happened here? X plus Y plus Z plus P or P plus Q plus R plus S whole bar is equal to P bar dot Q bar dot R bar dot S bar. Okay, so take this as P. So P bar. P bar means A bar, B bar, D bar, whole bar. Okay, dot C D E bar, whole bar dot B C E whole bar. Okay, ma? Dot A dot B dot C bar dot D bar whole bar. Okay, one complement is completed. So for this totally complement. So now we are taking for each term. For this term, one NAND gate. For this term, one NAND gate. For this term, one NAND gate. For this term, another NAND gate. So first draw A bar dot B bar dot D bar whole bar. So like this, we are having 4 NAND gates here. So I think space is not sufficient here. So draw. One NAND gate. So what are the inputs here? A bar, B bar, D bar. So what is the output here we are getting? A bar dot B bar dot D bar whole bar. Okay, ma, like this C dot D dot E bar. C, D, E bar. Okay, one NAND gate is C, D, E bar. C, D, E bar. So what is the output? C dot first input, second input, and the third input E bar whole bar. Okay, ma. Next B, C, E. One NAND gate. Okay. So B, B, C, E. So the what is the output? The first input, second input, and third input whole bar. Okay, what is the fourth term? 4 inputs are there. A, B, C bar, D bar. Okay. A, B, C bar, D bar. So what is the output here? A dot B dot C bar dot D bar. So what is the final expression? For all these terms, dot operation is there, that is AND operation is there, and bar is there. So that's why one another NAND gate is used for all these. Okay, Amma? Then the output of this NAND gate is the required expression. Yeah. Okay. Are you understand? So in this way, we draw NAND realizations. This totally NAND gates. Okay. And this is the second level NAND gate. 2 level realizations as NAND here. Okay, ma. Actually, in the previous classes, we learned K-map. K-map, are you remember? So suppose a summation m of 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 14, 15. So in that way given, we simplify. Then we are getting the expression. In the same problem, give this also. In the same problem, give this also. Draw the NAND and realization also. Then you will draw like this. Okay, ma? Are you understand? This is actually a single, that is not only giving. So this is given with the K-map also. Okay, so find the reduce the given expression and realize NAND operation. Then you will do first K-map and reduce the expression. Suppose if they are like this, we are getting the reduced expression. Okay, if you are getting this expression, then you know how to draw the NAND realization. Okay, or whatever it may be, or realization also. Okay, so this is the procedure to realize NAND by using logic gates. Okay, ma? So previously we are doing the problems on K-map for 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables, and 5 variables. Take the expressions for SOP forms and draw or NAND logic. That is NAND realizations. Okay, ma? Take the expressions from K-map and draw. First one is AND/OR realization. The second one is NAND realization. Okay, try to draw. Here, for doing this, you remember De Morgan's theorem. Okay, you remember De Morgan's theorem. Then only you will be having an idea how to draw. Okay. Thank you, Amma.